pretend I haven't burnt those because I didn't.
Have any of mine?
Yeah, there you go, there's your outtake.
There's the start.
Thanks a bunch.
I'm Mr. Chinnery. This is Mrs. Chinnery. She's cooking that.
So today I'm making meatball marinara essentially. I'm going to put it in a sub with some cheese melted on top. So first I have the ingredients for the marinara. I have some chopped onion, some chopped garlic and some tomatoes and some oregano and some tomato puree, salt and pepper, a little bit of oil and probably some water as well. So I've got my pan on, is it hot yet? Probably not. So start by sauteing the onions in a little bit of oil. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. This will just take about 10 minutes because the pan's still cold. We'll pretend that has sweated down. It hasn't. But we want to do it till they're nice and translucent and really sizzly really before you put the tomatoes in. Then, thanks love. So there's a whole onion in there and a whole tin of chopped tomatoes. And then we've got a couple of cloves of garlic. And some salt. At this point it doesn't really matter what order you put stuff in. As long as it all goes in, it's going to simmer. And some black pepper there. And then a good amount of oregano. Don't want to be too stingy with that. And then about the same amount of water as in the tin of tomatoes as well. And that you want to leave to simmer. Tomato puree. And about a good tablespoon of that. Just going to put that into that ring, it might be a bit hotter. So once I've got that going, I can start on my meatballs. So, I do this with 8 sausages, but for convenience I'm just doing 4 today to show you how it's done. So you just take the skin off. There you go, slit the side, pop it out of its skin. And do that for all of those. Don't cut yourself with a knife. You probably should cut away from yourself, but I didn't.
What sausages are you using?
Ah, good question. They are a medium quality, I would say, sausage, because you don't want a really cheap one because it's like mush, sawdust, arse and lips, and you don't want a really posh one because it's too meaty. You want something that's sort of just nicely in the middle, a bit meaty and a bit gungy, but not too far either side, really.
Is that because of the fat content?
I think it just makes a nicer meatball. You know your breakfast sausages, which are great in the place, that's just too mushy. You just wouldn't have any texture in it. And the really meaty ones, they wouldn't hang together as well because these are sort of somewhere in between. These happen to be gluten-free as well. So, you know, if you do have...
It wouldn't work with hot dogs, James.
It wouldn't work with hot dogs, no. If you do happen to have a gluten intolerance, it's easy enough to get gluten-free. Or you could just buy sausage meat, but these have already got a little bit of cheeky seasoning in, which is quite nice. So, I'm just going to quickly wash my hands because I've just skinned them and I'll be back in a second. Right, I'm back. Right, I've got my meatball pan on. Try and get that warm, unlike the other one. So this is simmering away nicely. I need to season my sausages a bit more. Plenty of salt because it's delicious. Plenty of black pepper for the same reason.
Coloured pepper.
Pepper of colour. And then, right, a good teaspoon of fennel seeds probably, and chilli, same, depending how spicy you like it. Now, that won't be as spicy as you think, unless you're a bit of a spice phobe. So we'll see. I'm sure James will let us know later. Now I'm afraid I have to get my hand in there and mix it all up. So I've got the chilli, the fennel, the salt and the pepper, and the nice medium quality supermarket sausages. Oh, the other thing about the sausages, not only can you not use hot dogs, but you probably don't want to use frozen ones either because it hurts your hand because they're really cold when you're trying to do that. Not that I've tried it.
Oh, Mrs. Chinnery.
I took it out of the freezer and not quite defrosted. Like, oh, jeez, that's so cold. Right, so this is delightful. You like playing with Play-Doh when you were a child? You'll love this.
That's a handful.
Meat. So about a golf ball size, and then we're going to pop that in the pan and start it cooking. So bizarrely, you'd be surprised how few meatballs you get out of the sausages. Here's one I made earlier, batch earlier, and there was 8 sausages in it, and I got a baker's dozen out of it. I got 13 meatballs out of it. I was really aiming for 12, but 13 is also good. So I would hope to get at least 6 out of these, but we shall see. Depends how carried I get, the way I get.
So what would you do with vegetarian when that's for meatballs?
I'd suggest they choose another dish. These really aren't vegetarian. I don't think this would work quite so well with a meat substitute in terms of flavour, because what you've got is everything going together in here. The meat, the fat in the meat's cooking and cooking all the spices in it as well, and then it's going to simmer in the tomato sauce. So the flavours from the meatballs will go into the tomato sauce, and the sauce will boil the meatballs. But ooh, spicy. And if you tried that with soya mince or a sauce mix type thing, it wouldn't really go as well. Right, they're cooking, so I've got to wash my hands again because I'm covered in sausage.
Hey.
I'm back. So, it's a new cooker and it's quite lively, and I've got everything on really high, so it's cooking really fast, which is good. I'm going to pop a bit more water in that, otherwise there'll be nothing for my meatballs to simmer in. Turn that right down now, it's going fine. So if you do reduce down the marinara a bit too much, just keep adding a bit of water in, because when it's all put together I'm going to leave it for at least an hour. The longer the better, quite frankly. So, and I think I'm burning these now, as I told you it was a bit lively, this. Yeah, they're well done. So we're at the Maillard phenomena. So, pretend I haven't burnt those, because I didn't. I didn't burn the batch I did earlier, but I have those. Never mind. You see, you live and learn. New hob, not used it before. So I'm sure. Oh, Jesus. I've got smoke alarms if it's all too much. So, they'll be about done now. So I shall turn that off, and then I'm going to just pop them into the marinara.
To extinguish them?
To extinguish them, yes. Put them out, they're not on fire anymore. And then, there they are. Lots of lovely, lovely tomato sauce around. Ignore the black bits. You'll see the ones I made earlier that I didn't burn. See, they're not burnt now. Now, because I'm just browning them on the outside, blackening them on the outside, if you will,
These meatballs.
they would be dreadfully raw in the middle, but that's fine, because they're going to sit in this, just simmering away for a good long time. So that's on nice and low. Pop the lid on. Check it every now and again, make sure it's not drying out, give it a little stir. The longer you leave it, the more it's going to all meld together. If you wanted to, you could cook it today, put it away, come back, heat it up tomorrow, and it's fine. So that's how you do a meatball marinara. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get Mr. Chinnery to help me here. I'm going to get him to...
But you are Mr. Chinnery.
No, I'm Mrs. Chinnery. Miss Chinnery. That's Miss Chinnery over there. I'm going to get him to prepare a sub for it. So he's going to put the meatballs into a sub sandwich, melt a bit of cheese on top. We've got some nice mature cheddar, which I like, which would be very nice. But you can put whatever you want on it. And then we're going to get Marcy and James to try it. But I didn't burn the other ones. It'll be fine. Don't worry. So that's how you do it. Oh yeah, so I am.
Your culture.
Why would you blow on it?
Fine.
It is hot.
Because it's hot.
It has just come out of a pan and
No,
then
not
an
that. She was
oven.
blowing on the microphone.
Oh, testing. 1, 2, 3.
I'm going to eat it now.
You're going to eat it now?
Yeah.
Right, fine. So do we dip that?
You can do.
Dip it in? Wow.
Very quiet. Is that a good
Just got
sign?
bread.
Delicious
I
bread.
didn't.
Ah.
I'm going to dip mine.
So am I then. I didn't dip that. It's very nice so far.
Ah, good, good.
Oh,
You can like slice the meatballs in half, which kind of makes it a little bit easier to get your gob round.
Right, you've got to go for it. You've just got to go for
yeah,
it.
but it's not as aesthetically pleasing then.
That's nice.
delicious it is, delicious.
It's amazing what you do with a packet of sausages and a can of tomatoes, basically.
Did you toast the bun as well?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Popped it in the high-speed oven.
That marinara, is that what this is? That marinara?
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
nice,
but
that.
it's laced with all the juices and flavour that's come out of the meatball as
Yeah.
well. It's not absolutely basic marinara because it's got meatball juice in it.
Whee!
Oh, it's messy like, eh?
There is a knife and fork
Told you it was.
if you wanted to.
I warned you.
You did.
Why? What are you doing next week, Mr. Chinnery?
Podcast.
Oh, how
Yeah, so
very
next week
exciting!
we're starting our Mr. Chinnery's podcast. What are we calling it?
Chinnery's Chinwag.
Chinnery's Chinwag.
For now, working title.
Working title. Any suggestions? We'll have that.
Yes.
We're going to do Superman.
We're going to do, yeah. So
Talking about Superman.
we're going to talk about Superman, the new
This is
film.
horrible. No one likes him.
Oh, it was a terrible, terrible film. Terrible. No, it was fantastic.
I thought it was great.
Save it for next
And I
week.
haven't seen it, but I will see it before the video, before our podcast.
So what's your favourite bit, Marcy? Not the film, of the...
The meatballs?
Yeah. What's your favourite bit?
The meatballs.
Yes, what's your favourite bit?
It's okay. We didn't bake the bread ourselves, so the meatballs. That's good.
I think they're very flavourful meatballs, even without the marinara. But with the marinara, it adds a whole new level of flavour.
They're not burnt those either.
I honestly don't think I would have minded if they were.
Yeah, true.
I don't think it would have mattered to me.
Not burnt, caramelised.
Yes.
Burnt
Yeah.
meatballs are actually quite nice.
Yeah, them
That's what
meatballs
Italy
are
used to
absolutely
say.
banging now.
Have you ever had burnt meatballs?
Burnt meatballs?
Yeah.
Can't say I have. I've had caramelised meatballs.
They are actually quite nice. They add...
I don't like burnt eggs.
Is that a joke?
No, being genuine, I don't like burnt eggs. Burnt eggs taste weird.
They taste burnt, don't they?
Don't think I've ever had burnt egg.
Come on mine, I'll show you what a burnt egg tastes like. I can't cook.
Wait for my next cooking video. I'll show you.
Them Moorish as them.
I'm eating the whole thing though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pour it on. I'm taking a new approach.
Whoa. Oh.
Okay. Yeah. Well. Nothing gained if nothing ventured or whatever.
True, yeah. I'm just watching you enjoy that. So messy. That's so nice, that.
Worth looking.
It's not that fucking nice.
It's delicious. It's absolutely delicious. It's the nicest thing I've ever tasted in this building.
Marks out of 10.
10!
That's an 11.
That's an 11 in Marcy's numbers.
See, marks out of 10. I'd give it one. It'd do me, but
I'd give it one.
See, when you make like one of the best foods in the world, I can't really score it badly.
no.
Is this your favourite thing ever then? The meatball marinara. Is this your...
It's definitely up there.
Have you tried other people's meatball marinara? Would you say it scores highly against those?
I've tried other people's meatballs, and I've tried Subway's meatball marinara. Don't laugh.
Other people's, yes.
Yeah, like family members. I won't say who. But these are nicer. On me opinion. And I'm still gonna keep eating. And usually people don't do cheese with meatballs.
Oh, stingy.
Not that I've known. So
Oh, that cheese is unreal as well.
yeah, and I really obviously like cheese.
As much as you like sweet corn.
As much as you like sweet corn, I was just going to say that. We don't know about that.
I just got that all over the floor.
It's alright.
Sorry.
You can take some meatballs on 15 minutes. It's just admit it, she says.
So it's a 10 out of 10 from you then, yeah? It's the highest score you've given yet. which is like an 11. So
Victory dance. What do you think, James?
8.5.
Thanks, I'll take that.
No, no, it's going to score high. I've never ever tried a meatball marinara before. Not even from like Subway or anything like that. I don't know why. It's just not my thing. Like, it's not something I go for.
I don't know if they're traditionally done with like a beef mince or a pork mince. It's just the way I do them. I always use sausage meat in them.
I like the sausage meat. I do like. I can't eat a lot of pork, but that was banging. I really enjoyed that. That's getting the 9.5 out of me.
Woohoo!
Yeehaw!
Pardon me. No, Top Chef. Top Chef.
Did you not try it, Matt? Come on, you're coming to try a little bit. Oh no, there's none left.
None left.
Not have any of mine.
Is that a Dexter?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes.
having that, by the way.
Oh. 30 quid. It's always Friday night at Freddy's house.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, or Marcy's going to get the sack.
Look sadder.
Look sadder. Sadder. Into that camera. Done.